Hello, how are you feeling today?
I am not feeling very well today.
You look a little tired and stressed.
Yes, I feel tired because of work pressure.
Nowadays, many people ignore their health.
That is true, health is often ignored.
Daily routine plays a big role in our health.
My daily routine is also not very healthy.
Proper sleep is very important for the body.
I usually sleep very late at night.
Sleeping late can cause many health problems.
I know it is bad for my health.
A healthy breakfast gives energy for the whole day.
I feel more active when I eat breakfast.
Many people skip breakfast because of work.
Sometimes I skip breakfast in a hurry.
Drinking enough water keeps the body fresh.
I forget to drink water during the day.
Lack of water can cause weakness and headache.
Then I feel headache and low energy.
Light exercise is also good for health.
I want to start light exercise daily.
Walking daily improves blood circulation.
Walking sounds easy and helpful.
Mental health is as important as physical health.
Mental stress also affects my health.
Stress can affect both mind and body.
Sometimes I feel anxious and tired.
Taking short breaks reduces stress.
Short breaks really help me relax.
Good habits slowly improve our lifestyle.
I am trying to build healthy habits.
Ignoring small problems can be dangerous later.
I will not ignore health issues anymore.
Visiting a doctor on time is very important.
I will visit a doctor if needed.
Health should always be our first priority.
Yes, health is more important than money.
If you like this conversation, subscribe to our channel.
Subscribe and learn English with us daily.